Dinner recipes Anoma's kitchen. 1. Baked salmon with lemon butter sauce. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, salt and pepper, 4 tablespoons melted butter, 4 cloves minced garlic, 4 tablespoons lemon juice, 4 tablespoons chopped parsley, lemon slices for garnish. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 375 F190 C. 2. Season the salmon fillets with salt and pepper on both sides. 3. In a small bowl, mix together melted butter, minced garlic, lemon juice, and chopped parsley. 4. Place the salmon fillets in a baking dish and pour the lemon butter sauce over them. 5. Bake for 12–15 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through. 6. Garnish with lemon slices and serve with your choice of sides. 2. Creamy mushroom and spinach pasta. Ingredients: 12 oz pasta of your choice, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 4 cloves garlic minced, 8 ounces sliced mushrooms, 2 cups baby spinach, 1 cup heavy cream, a half cup grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Cook the pasta according to package instructions. 2. In a separate pan, heat olive oil over medium heat and add chopped onion and minced garlic. Cook until softened. 3. Add sliced mushrooms and cook until they release their juices. 4. Stir in baby spinach and cook until wilted. 5. Pour in heavy cream and bring to a simmer. 6. Add cooked pasta to the pan and stir until well coated. 7. Sprinkle grated Parmesan cheese on top and season with salt and pepper. 8. Serve hot and enjoy. 3. Honey glazed chicken with roasted vegetables. Ingredients: 4 chicken breasts, salt and pepper, 4 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon minced ginger, 1 red bell pepper sliced, 1 zucchini sliced, 1 onion sliced, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, fresh parsley for garnish. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 375 F190 C. 2. Season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper on both sides. 3. In a small bowl, mix together honey, soy sauce, olive oil, minced garlic, and minced ginger. 4. Place the chicken breasts in a baking dish and pour the honey glaze over them. 5. In a separate baking dish, add sliced bell peppers, zucchini, onions, and cherry tomatoes. Drizzle with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. 6. Bake both dishes for 25–30 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. 7. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve with your choice of sides. 4. Beef stir-fry with vegetables. Ingredients: 1 lb beef, sliced into thin strips, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon minced ginger, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 red bell pepper sliced, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 cup sliced carrots, 1 cup sliced mushrooms, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, mix together sliced beef, soy sauce, oyster sauce, cornstarch, minced garlic, and minced ginger. Let marinate for 15 minutes. 2. In a wok or large pan, heat vegetable oil over high heat. 3. Add marinated beef and cook until brown.